let's go shopping for the ingredients. First, we are going to need some milk. Any flavor you like. For me, I like the chocolate milk. Next, we need some nuts. Personally, I like some peanuts, but if you are allergic to peanuts, you can take any other type of nuts. One of the best things about Qatar is you can find any type of nuts very easily here. Give me 250 grams of this. Now we are going to find our secret ingredient. Let's see. Here it is, guys. This is from Sri Lanka, obviously. So this is called Sama Posha. This is in my language, Sama Posha. So this is my all-time favorite. Very easy to make, very nutritious. So let's see. Now let's go make our weight gainer. Shit, I almost forgot. Uh, you can add some banana to it as well. Okay, now we can go make our weight gain. Let's go. Okay, so now we have all the ingredients we need. Let's make this. I love butter. So I just finished mixing it. Let's try it. And yes, this can be taken as breakfast. And this is going to be my breakfast today too. This is very delicious, guys, and it's packed with nutrition. and it's very easy to make. So definitely give it a try and let me know in the comments below. Share with a friend, like, subscribe for more content like this. Meet you in the next video.